Namaste children. Today class will see what is mean by volume of cube, cuboid and cylinder. First of all, what is mean by volume? Here they said the amount of space occupied by a three-dimensional object is called a volume. The capacity of 3D figure is called a volume. Suppose if you have a cylindrical water tanker, what is its capacity means? It's enough to find the volume of that cylinder. So volume is nothing but the space occupied by a three-dimensional object is called a volume, or simply we can say the inside place of a 3D figure is called a volume. Today class, let's see how to find the volume of 3D objects like cube, cuboid and cylinder. Here you can see one activity better. First they took one rectangle paper. Tell me how can you find the area of this rectangle? Length into breadth. If I keep like 5 papers one over other, how can you find their area? Area of the one paper into 5. Like here they kept H papers which are same size. Then what is its area? What is its volume? So volume of these papers is equal to, which are in cuboid shape, area of the base we can find. Area of the base into height. Area of the base into height, which gives us volume of the 3D figure. Here you can see better. Volume of cuboid is equal to area of the base into height. See, if it is one paper, we can write area is equal length into breadth. Two papers, length into breadth into 2. Like H, L into B, area of the base into height, which gives the volume of 3D figure. Now let us solve find out the formula of different 3D objects by using this area of the base into height. Yes, children, I said volume of cuboid is area of the base into height. So let us draw one cuboid. Let us draw one cuboid. It is the 3D figure. It has 3 dimensions. Those 3 dimensions are length and breadth and height. So how can you find the value of this cuboid? Capacity of this cuboid? Yes. To find the value of a cuboid, I said the formula is area of the base. Area of base into its height. Area of the base into height gives us volume of a prism. So now you can see your volume of cuboid is equal to, what is the area of the base? Here the area of base is rectangle shape. So area of the rectangle is what? Length into breadth. Length into breadth. And height already we denoted with h. So write down h. This is the formula we have to find the value of cuboid, which is length into breadth into height. Why not see in similar way volume of cube? So let us see what is the capacity of this value. Capacity nothing but space occupied by 3D object. Suppose you have one petrol tanker which is in cuboid shape. If they will ask you what is the capacity of that petrol tanker, capacity means value. It's enough to find the value of that cuboid. See, value of cube. What is mean by cube, beta? Sir, even cube has a length, breadth, height, but all the 3 dimensions are equal. Let me take length is equal to a, breadth is also a, even height is also a, length, breadth, height, all the 3 are equal in a cube. So let us find value of cube, beta. Value of cube is equal, we can apply same formula, area of base into height. So what is the area of the base? Area of the base means in a cube each face like a square shape, even base also square shape. Area of the base nothing but area of square. Area of base nothing but area of square into height. So what is the area of square formula? Side into side into height. So what is the side here? A. So A into what is the height? Height into A is equal to how much, beta? a cube. Yes, this is the formula we have to find value of cube. Value of cube is equal to how much? A cube, where a is equal to length of one side of a cube. Here L, B, H are length, breadth, height of a cuboid. Let us see value of cylinder. So let me draw cylinder first. The cylinder has top and bottom are congruent faces, and top and bottom both are circles. So both the circles are congruent. It means they have same radius, and the distance between two centers is called height. So let us see how to find the value of cylinder. Value of cylinder is equal to, what is the formula I said to find the value, beta? Area of the base. So area of base into height. So here the base of cylinder is circle shape. So area of the base nothing but indirectly area of circle. Yes, here the area of base nothing but area of circle into height. So what is the area of circle? Pi r square into h. So this is the formula we have to find the value of cylinder. Value of cylinder is equal to pi r square h, where r is equal to radius, h is equal to height of cylinder. And this formula we can use to find the value of an object whose top and bottom are congruent, and laterals are rectangles or parallelograms. Such objects are known as prism. We already studied in previous class. Prism nothing but top and bottom are congruent faces, and laterals are rectangles or parallelograms. Here you can see top and bottom are congruent, rectangle. Top and bottom are square, congruent. Top and bottom are circles, congruent shape. So this is all examples of prism only. So to find the value, we can use this formula. Value of cuboid is L into B into H. Value of cube is A cube, and value of cylinder is pi r square H. Yes, children, we have some problems on based on value of cuboid and cylinder. From exercise 11.4, let us see the third one, beta. Find the height of a cuboid whose base area is 180 centimeters square and value is 900 cubic centimeters. This question is about cuboid. Let us take the cuboid first, and they gave here base area of cuboid is base area of cuboid is 180 centimeters square. Asking you value. Yes, you can see here solution, beta. Given base area of cuboid. Base area of cuboid is equal to 180 centimeters square, and also he gave value of cuboid. Value of cuboid is equal to how much they gave it? 900 cubic centimeters. By using this, we have to find height of cuboid. They ask you to find height of cuboid is equal to how much? So cuboid has three dimension figures: length, breadth, and height. See, to find the value of cuboid, we have two formulas here. So to find the value of cuboid, what are the formula we know, better? So we know area of the base into height, or that area of the base only is called L into B into H. So these two formula we have. Now here area of the base already they gave. Yes, area of the base he gave, and value of cuboid he gave. Area of the base he gave. He asked you to find height. So let us go with first formula. Both are same, beta. Both are same. So instead of this value of cuboid, what we can write? Area of the base into height. So value of cuboid means what, beta? Area of base into height is equal, and the RHS part is 900 cubic centimeters. What is the area of the base? How much you get? Area of the base nothing but area of bottom rectangle length into breadth, which is 180 square centimeters. So 180 square centimeters into height we don't know, we have to find height only. Is equal to how much beta? 900 cubic centimeters. Now here we have to find the height. So height, to know the height, transpose this into that side, it becomes a division. So 900 cubic centimeter we can write centimeter into centimeter we write by 180 square centimeters. So 180 square centimeter if we transpose centimeter square we write centimeter into centimeter. 1 centimeter cancel, 1 more cancel, 0 0 cancel. 18 1s are 18, 5s are 90. So we can write here now height is equal to how much? 5 centimeters. So height of the cuboid is 5 centimeters. Therefore, height of cuboid H, which is equal to 5 centimeters. That is the way you can find the height. Yes, we have one more question from exercise 11.4. A cuboid of dimension 60 cm, 54 cm, 30 cm, and these are the dimensions of cuboid, length into breadth into height. How many small cubes with side 6 cm can be placed in the given cuboid? Let us draw a cuboid and whose length and breadth are what they give beta? Length and breadth. Length is 6 centimeters. Length is 60 centimeters and breadth is equal to 54 centimeters and height of cylinder is equal to 30 centimeters. So these are the dimensions of the cuboid box. Now inside of that they are going to keep place a cube with side 6 centimeter. So here suppose I kept one cube whose side is 6 centimeters. So one more cube. Even this cube has how much value? 6 centimeters. So like that, how many cubes we can place in the cuboid? So inside we are going to place the cubes. Inside, what do we call the inside place? What do we call the space occupied by 3D figure? Yes, the space occupied by a 3D object is known as value. First we have to find value of this cuboid box. Then find value of one cube. By dividing that, we will get how many cubes we can fit inside of this cuboid. Hope it is clear. So first let us find value of cuboid. Yes, value of cuboid. So what is the formula we have? When we know length, breadth, height. When we know length, breadth, height, to find the value of cuboid, we have a formula length into breadth into height, which is equal. Length is 60 centimeter into 54 centimeter into 30 centimeters is equal. Units are cubic centimeters multiplied, right? 54 into 6. 6 4 is 24. 4 to carry. 6 5 is 30. 30 plus 2 32 into 3. 3 4 is 12. 2 1 carry. 3 2 is 6 plus 1 7. 3 3 is 9. So here I got 972 and 2 more zeros. Yes, 97,200 cubic centimeters. This is the value of cuboid. Then you can find value of cube. Yes, value of cuboid we got. Cuboid is equal to 97,200. Now we will find value of cube. Value of 1 cube is equal to, what is the formula to find the value of cube? A cube, where A is equal length of the side. What is the length of the side beta? Length of the side is 6 centimeters. So A is equal to 6 centimeter whole cube. 6 whole cube, which gives us 216 cubic centimeters. Now we need to find how many cubes can be placed in the cuboid. Yes, Here number of cubes. Number of cubes can be placed. Number of cubes can be placed in the cuboid is equal to. How can we find beta? Total value minus value of one cuboid gives us, sorry, total value of cuboid by value of one cube gives how many cubes we can place in the cuboid. So what is the value of cuboid? 97,200 cubic centimeter by 216 cubic centimeter. So divide these two, which gives how many such cubes we can place inside the cuboid. Let us divide with 6 table here. Yes. 6 3 is 18. 3 left. 6 6 that 6. Again 6 1 the 6. 3 left. 6 6 the 36. 1 left. 6 2 the 12. 2 zeros. Now see it again 1 6 2 double 0 by 36. Again in 6 table you can see 6 6 the 36. 6 2 the 12. 4 6 7 the 42. 6 0 the 0. Again you can see 22,700 by 6. 6 1 the 6. 6 4 the 24. 3 left. 6 5 the 30. 6 0 the 0. Yes, I got 450. So how many such cubes you can place inside of cuboid? Number of cubes can be placed in the cuboid is equal to how many? 450. Yes. Number of cubes can be placed. Number of cubes can be placed in the cuboid. Number of cubes can be placed in the cuboid is equal to how much? 450. Children, you can see one more here from exercise 11.461. A milk tank is in the shape of cylinder. So here we have a milk tank which is in the shape of cylinder itself, whose top and bottom are circles, concrete circles, and the distance between top circle and bottom circle is known as height of cylinder, and the radius is 1.5 meters. The radius of cylinder is 1.5 meter and length is 7 meters. Length is nothing but here height meter. Height is also called as length also. So length is equal, height is equal to how much? 7 meters. Find the quantity of milk in liters that can be stored in the tank. They are asking find what is the capacity of tank. Capacity nothing but the space occupied by 3D object is called capacity, is also called as value. So to know the capacity of tank, it's enough to find the value of cylinder. Value of the cylinder. Yes. Can go for solution. So to know capacity of tank, capacity of cylindrical tank, capacity of cylindrical tank is equal to value of, yes, what we can get the value of cylinder. Yes, find the value of cylinder, then we get the capacity of tank, cylindrical tank is equal to, what is the value of cylinder? Pi r square h is equal to 22 by 7. What is the radius right here? The radius is 1.5 meter into h is equal to, sorry, radius square, so 1.5 meter into 1.5 meter, radius into radius, where height is equal to how much? 7 meters. Simplify this matter, 7 7 cancel. Alright, so 22 into 1.5 into 1.5 which gives 2.25 meter into meter into meter, it gives us cubic meters. Now multiply this, 2.25 into 22. 2 5 is 10, 0 1 10. 2 2 is 4 plus 1 5. 2 2 is 4. Again we get same, 0 5 9 4. How much I got beta? 49.40 meter cube. 49.50 cubic meters. But they are asking in liters. Find the capacity in terms of liters. Then you people should know what is the relation between liters and cubic meters. What is the relation we have better? We have a relation that 1 cubic meter is equal to how much, you know? 1000 liters. 1 cubic meter is equal to 1000 liters. Now this will express in terms of liters. 49.50 in the place of cubic meter we can write 1000 liters. If possible, this we convert into fraction form. 4950 by 100 into 1000 liters. So 2020 cancel better. 495 ones are 495 together 2 zeros. So the capacity is what? 49,500 liters. So let us write here capacity of cylindrical tank. Capacity of cylindrical tank is equal to how much? 49,500 liters. Yes, you can see here 7th one beta from exercise 11.4. If each edge of a cube is doubled, how many times will its surface area increase? How many times will its volume increase? So generally, we'll take the cube here. This question is about surface area and volume of a cube. Here, the surface area means we'll go with TSA beta. LSA means we will mention clearly. Only surface area means we will go with TSA. So generally we know TSA of a cube. TSA of a cube is equal to 6 faces, 6a square. And also we know that volume of cube is equal to a cube. So when the length of side is a, side of a cube is a. So when we have a side of a cube is a units, I mean length, breadth, height, all the 3 dimensions are equal in a cube whose length is a, then its TSA is 6a square and value is a cube. But here they said each edge of a cube is double. So when I make it double, double of a is 2 into a, I mean 2a. So when we double each edge of a cube, whose side will become 2a? Whose side will become 2a? Now here edge is equal to a and breadth also a, height also what? 2a, sorry here 2a. Here also what better? 2a. So solution you can see, if each edge of cube is doubled, then side of a cube is equal to 2 into double means 2 into side is equal to what? 2a. It means whose length equal to a, breadth is equal to a, height also 2a. Now let us find the surface area here. Yes, surface area. Surface area in bracket if you want you can write TSA. Surface area of cube is equal, generally we have formula 6a square. So 6 into where a is equal to length of side which is 2a whole square. So we can write 6 2 square a square, I mean 4a square. So how many times it is increasing? So 1 time is equal to 6a square. 6a square, we write 6a square together, 4 will write outside. 6 into 4, 24. 4 into 6, 24. So this 4 let me write outside. 6a square together write 6a square. 6a square. So what is 6a square? Surface area of a cube. So how many times it is increasing? 4 times of surface area. 4 times of surface area. Right. So what we can write? How many times will its surface area increase? So if we double each edge of cube, its surface area is, how many times will increase? surface area increase. Surface area increase. How many times, beta? 4 times. The reason 4 into surface area of a cube, 4 times. Similarly, think about value. Value of cube is equal. What is the formula we have generally? A cube. But here the value of a, length of side is what? 2a. So a 1 cube we write. 6a1 square we write better here. So in the place of a1, length of side which is 2a whole cube is equal to how much? 2 cube, 8a cube. So how many times it will increase? 8 times. Value of cube is increased. Value of cube is increased by how many times? 8 times of a cube. Increased by how many times? 8 times. Children, today class we learned about value of cube, cuboid and cylinder. The word value is nothing but the space occupied by 3D object is called a value. To know the capacity of a tank or to know the capacity of a cuboidal shaped box or cube shaped box, to know its capacity, it's enough to find the value. And also we learned the formula to find the value of cube, cuboid and cylinder. Hope this concept is clear to you. Based on that, from exercise 7.4, this problems you try to complete in classwork. Thank you once again. We'll meet in the next class.